Hi everyone, so in today's video we are going to be talking about oven thermometer. It is such a crucial tool that can make all the difference in achieving those perfect texture, flavor and consistent results in your baked products. So let us dive deep into understanding why oven thermometer is such an important tool when it comes to baking. An oven thermometer is a kitchen tool used to measure the temperature inside an oven accurately. It is a small thermometer that is designed to withstand high temperature and can be placed inside the oven to monitor the temperature. Using an oven thermometer in baking is crucial because most ovens have a slight variance in temperature accuracy. This means that the temperature displayed on the oven's dial may not be the actual temperature inside the oven. By using an oven thermometer, you can ensure that your baked goods are being baked at the correct temperature, which is essential for achieving the desired texture, taste, and overall quality of your baked goods. To use an oven thermometer in baking, you simply need to place it inside the oven on the rack and then preheat the oven to the desired temperature. Once the oven has reached the temperature, you can check the thermometer to ensure that it matches the temperature you have set on the oven's dial. If there is a variance, you can adjust the temperature accordingly to achieve the desired temperature. There are several reasons why an oven thermometer is an essential tool for any baker. Firstly, it allows you to achieve consistent results. With an oven thermometer, you can ensure that the temperature of your oven is exactly as per the recipe, so you can reproduce the same great results every time. Another reason why an oven thermometer is important is that it helps you to avoid over or under baking. By measuring the internal temperature of your baked goods, you can ensure that they are baked to perfection. This is especially important for things like meat or fish where undercooking can be dangerous. But even for things like cakes and bread, over or under baking can ruin the entire texture and flavor. With an oven thermometer, you can ensure that your baked goods are cooked properly every time. Finally, using oven thermometer can help you troubleshoot problems with your baked goods. If you notice that your cakes are always coming out dry or your bread is always dense, a thermometer can help you pinpoint the problem. Maybe your oven isn't heating up properly or you are not letting your dough rise for long enough. By measuring the temperature at different stages of the baking process, you can diagnose and solve these problems quickly. Overall, using an oven thermometer is a small but critical step in baking that can make a significant difference in the quality of your baked goods. By ensuring that your oven is at the correct temperature, you can create delicious and consistent baked goods every time. So in conclusion, oven thermometer is an extremely important baking tool that every baker must have because it helps you achieve those consistent results, avoid underbaking or overbaking, and troubleshoot any kind of baking related issues. So if you haven't already invested in one, I highly recommend you do so. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. So thank you for watching, and if you have loved this video, do like, share and subscribe for more such insights and tips related to baking.